Hi guys, in this video you know about how far can a 4 by 6 deck beam span. This is your question and you have to find out maximum span for 4 by 6 wood deck beam. And you know that deck beam are used in deck framing, and this one is horizontal structural component and which support joist. And what are the function of deck beam? It can transfer the load, deck load, onto column or post and then transfer to footing. And here the size of deck beam is 4 by 6, means 4 by 6 is single piece of wood, or either it may be two piece of 2 by 6 timber material which are nailed together. First, understand about deck framing. Suppose this one is post size and this one is deck beam. This one is a rough diagram. This is another deck board, and the joist which are running perpendicular to deck beam. This is the joist which is spaced 16 inches on center. This one is joist, and the distance between two joist, that is joist span. And this one is the joist. The size of this joist is 2 by 6 which span 16 inches on center. And this one is your deck beam. Size of this deck beam 4 by 6, and this one is the post, and this one is clear distance between two posts, and this one is the cantilever portion which is equal as 1 by 4th of clear span between the two posts. And this one is the rough diagram to understand about the deck framing. Now, what are the main factors which decide the span length for deck beam? The first factor is total load of a structure, consist of dead load and live load. Live load means load of furniture and people and etc. The second is wood type. What are the wood are used for your deck beam? What are the species? The pressure treated lumber SYP, that is DF, cedar or redwood. Different wood are used for making your deck beam, and it is highly resistant to decay, root, insects and moisture. And the most engineer wood like LBL, it is non-common choice for cost effective and high strength and higher durability. The third major factor, that is joist span. The size of joist, that is 2 by 6 and space 16 inches on center. This is the spacing between two joists which is 16 inches on center. Here you have question, what are the maximum span? The maximum span for 4 by 6 deck beam, it can allow to span 6 foot to 8 foot distance for moderate load, and the minimum span for heavy load may be allowed to span 4 foot to 6 foot distance. This is the maximum span and minimum span for a 4 by 6 deck beam. Thank you.